If you didn't set up your Echo Dot in Alexaj app, please follow the steps to make it available for voice commands. After connecting the Robot E20 to Wi-Fi via Kyvol App, and following these steps to link E20 with Alexaj app. Launch Amazon Alexa. Tap Devices. Tap Echo and Alexa. Tap Alexa on this phone. A setting guide will then pop up. Tap Continue. Press and hold the action button on the Echo Dot until the light on it turns orange.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Tap Continue. Select a working 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the correct password. Tap Done. Tap Connect. Connecting. Connected.
Your Echo is ready.
Tap Continue. Then follow the setup guidelines to finish your settings. Setup is completed. Tap Done. Then you can speak to your Echo Dot and tell it to do things. Remember that every voice command must start with Alexa.
Alexa, turn on E20.
E20 will follow up to start cleaning.
Alexa, turn off E20.
E20 will then go back to the charging base. If you have set up your Echo Dot in Alexaj app before, after connecting the Robot E20 to Wi-Fi via Kyvol App, and following these steps to link E20 with Alexaj app, plug in the Echo Dot.
Alexa,
Then you can directly speak to your
turn
Echo
on
Dot.
E20.
E20 will start cleaning.
Alexa, turn off E20.
E20 will get back to the charging base.